Hey, welcome back to my channel, Unique World. And if you are new, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And in today's tutorial, based on the title, you can see that I'll be showing you how I do my passion twist. Although this is a sponsored video, I will be making sure that I provide you with my honest truth on how this hair works well with passion twist. Now, before I get started, let me just take a deep breath. I am just going to go ahead and undo my braids because I just got through washing my hair and my hair is all dried. I'm going to be using this Cantu leave-in conditioner and I'm just going to rub it on my hair, and I am going to go ahead and detangle and comb out any tangles within my hair. Okay, now that my hair is detangled, I'm going to go ahead and part the back of my hair first. And since I'm doing the rubber band method, I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair into sections so that I can use the rubber bands and some holding jam. And I'm just going to part my hair, place a jam on my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair and rubber band my hair up. I can't remember how long it took me to part my hair and rubber band my hair up because I was taking breaks in between, but I would say, because I'm using like big parts for my hair because I didn't want to take all day to do my hair, so my parts are slightly bigger than I would normally part my hair. I would say maybe it took me about 2 hours or an hour to part my hair and rubber band it up. One thing I can say about the rubber band method is that it makes it a lot easier to grab your hair as you braid, because your hair is already pre-sectioned. You already know what it's going to look like, so it makes it a whole lot easier when you do the rubber band method. So now that my hair is all rubber band up, it is time to go ahead and grab your Passion Twist Water Wave hair. This company is called ZRQ, and the best thing about it is you can actually buy this on Amazon. So they do have their hair on Amazon, and I like the fact that it came with a crochet needle and some beads or hair jewelry that you could place on your hair. In this tutorial, I'm going to actually use 2 strands of hair to make my twists bigger, because my parts are bigger. So I am using 2 strands of hair. If you do your hair and you have smaller sections, you can always use 1 strand. If you want bigger twists, you can always use 3 or more. But I am doing 2 strands for this particular hair, and in this part I am actually braiding my hair like I would braid, as in like braiding with box braids, and I'm using my jam just to make sure that my hair stays within the passion twist. Since my hair do tend to frizz up, I am using some of Aunt Jackie's hair foam mousse. Oh, another thing that I forgot to mention is that this hair length is 24 inches and it is the color T30. There's so many ways that you can do passion twists, so I'm going to show you 2 ways you can do the crochet method. The first method is to go ahead and place your hair inside the crochet needle, and then you're going to close it and pull a little bit through, and then you're going to open up into a loop and you're going to grab your hair, including the other two strands, and you're going to pull that hair through the loop, and you're going to pull your hair along with the two strands going out, and it's going to create that knot. And now you can just begin to twist your hair as normal. Now for the second method, you're just going to place your crochet needle inside of your hair, and then you're going to close it and you're going to pull through, but you're going to grab one end of the strand and you're going to pull straight out, and now you have two pieces. Now you're just going to go ahead and just twist it as normal. But I think that this way is a lot easier than the first method that I showed you. And the braiding method is what I use. I use the braiding method like I'm braiding box braids, and I'm just basically starting my hair off with braiding my hair, and then I split my hair up into two, and then I begin to twist my hair. I can say that this hair is very manageable to work with when twisting my hair. I do like the fact that passion twist doesn't take long. It's not as tedious and precise as braiding. But the only thing that, sometimes you kind of worry about when twisting your hair, even your natural hair, is the unraveling of your hair. So passion twist doesn't last as long as braiding. But braiding is more of a protective style versus the passion twist, because you have more loose strands versus braids being really tight and precise. Another thing is to make sure that you follow the Instagram ZRQ Beauty Hair for opportunities to win free hair. But all of their information I will put in the description down below, where you can either buy their hair products or you can follow them on Instagram at ZRQ Beauty Hair. Well, that is it for this hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this passion twist hair tutorial. If you like what you see, please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss another hair tutorial from me, Unique Girl. Until next time, peace.